So here we are. MetLife Stadium is right behind me. That's where the New York Giants and the New York Jets play. Should be the Jersey Giants, but whatever. And as you can see, we've got fireworks. Isn't that awesome? Woo! Wow, nice and blurry. There we go. I'm trying to get it good. I gotta follow one. Just a couple of little ones. There's one right there. That's nothing. Come on. I had some real good ones before. They were kind of cool. You know, as soon as I turn it off, that's when the good ones come, right? That's the way it's gonna happen. By the way, we went on this Ferris wheel before. It was awesome. Nice. You know I'm getting old, but I enjoy the Ferris wheel. Happy Independence Day, America. Even though you're going down the tubes, you're still the greatest country in the whole wide world. Today we're celebrating with fireworks. I love you, America, but I'm gonna miss you the way you used to be.